Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to file a VAT return to HMRC for free. So this is helpful because you don't need to pay for extra software if you're using HMRC's own system. And you can submit your VAT return directly online. So to get started, open up your browser and go to the HMRC website. Once the page loads, sign into your VAT account using your government gateway ID and password. After signing in, look for the option that says Submit VAT Return or something similar. Then click on it to begin. You'll now see your VAT return form. Carefully enter your figures in each box, including your total sales, purchases, VAT owed, and VAT that you can reclaim. So take your time here and make sure everything is accurate before moving on. So once you've filled in all the required fields, review your return to double check the numbers. If everything looks correct, go ahead and submit the return. After submitting, you should see a confirmation message, and that means your VAT return has been successfully filled. And that is it. You've now completed your VAT return using HMRC for free. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.